Hello, this is Michael Simpson with Sac City Property Management. Let me show you my property manager application. So what I've spent some time with this last week is working on the invoicing procedures. So let's start off with, we want to invoice the tenants for the rent roll at the beginning of the month. So we select rent roll. Once that's completed, here's a list of the tenants, and if Kevin's given us a 30-day notice, we don't want to charge us rent, all we got to do is double click him and exclude him from the list. Set the date, and we'll set it for the first of the month and run the rent roll. And then this automatically brings up all the related invoices that it just processed and created. So $14,000 rent roll for the month, and throughout the application, anything with a blue underline number is a link, so we can pull up that related document. Let's pull up that one, just picking one. And it shows that the rent was for May 1st. It was $1,100 a month. It automatically created a note for the invoice, and it's showing us the charge down here as well. So, way cool. So let's close that, and let's close these two things real quick. Now let's create a invoice for a client, and that's done manually at the moment. So here's all the people that we can charge invoices to, which is tenants, clients, vendors, anybody we can create a billing to, so that's not a problem. But we can filter this list as well to clients and active clients to make it easy to find who we want to charge to. So let's just say Mary Little, and we'll have to set an invoice date for that manually, but I can automate that later. And then a note. Monthly billing, and then let's do her labor charges. And you'll notice what happens is that when it opens up the labor charge form, it brings over the client, and then it automatically filters the property list down to just her properties or just her active projects, so we can bill by unit and property as well. So that's very cool. And then we can also filter by date, and so that works. And then to bill any particular item, we can select them manually one by one, right there. And if we made a mistake and said, whoops, that was the wrong one, it's easy enough to remove it. So way cool. Okay, so let's go ahead and invoice those. And we'll close that, and then let's do expenses as well. So here's all the expenses. Again, for Mary Little, it's got the same invoice number, 107, and it's monthly billing. So we can, again, just add on individual charges as we want, or we could filter it by property or project as well, and we can filter it by date. And we can also just say, you know what, I want to bill for everything, and select it all, and done, and that works. So thank you.